Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a Spanish bread, and it's also called as a Filipino bread. It's been introduced by my friend, so we love that bread. So today I decided to show that recipe to you guys. So let's go and see how it comes out. My channel, and if you like my video, please give thumbs up. The Spanish bread, we need milk, all-purpose flour, egg, salt, instant yeast, melted butter, and sugar. The description box below for the measurement of these ingredients. In the mixing bowl, add in the all-purpose flour. Next, the instant yeast, salt, and sugar. Give a mix. Add the milk, start mixing the with number 1 until all the milk incorporate with the flour. Add in the eggs. So now add in the butter, the melted butter. To another bowl. Sticky, but I prefer to be a little bit sticky because the bread will be give you a moist once it's baked. Okay, so I'm putting it back in the bowl, which I already greased it with oil, and you can cover it with damp cloth or with the plastic wrap. So I'm doing it with the plastic wrap, and we will wait about 1 or 2 hours until the bread dough rising double in size. These are the ingredients for the fillings. So for that we need milk, breadcrumbs. So I took graham crackers and I have grind it, make it a crumb. And there is also a ready-made crumbs in the shop, so you can buy that as well. And this is the brown sugar and all-purpose flour, and this is butter. And measurement for all these ingredients in the description box. First add the brown sugar. Graham crackers, the breadcrumbs, the all-purpose flour. Give it a mix. Now add the milk and the butter. Is ready. Now we will go and see the bread. Okay, so the bread dough has been rising well. I have waited about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna deflate the dough and transfer it on my countertop to work on it. Flour on top. Okay, I'm going to cut the bread to equal size, and then I'll let you guys know how many pieces of bread it came out. Divided the dough to the equal size so it comes to the 12 pieces of dough. So we will make it a bun now. But earlier, okay, you have to roll it. Take the filling, spread it over, and make sure you leave some space over here. Just have to roll it over, and then the space that you left at the end, just pinch over it and take it. And I have to prepare the graham crackers. Just roll over it. Until you finish all the dough. So I have put the filling in the bread and it's ready, but we have to wait another 30 minutes more. And just cover it with a towel or a plastic wrap. So I prefer a plastic wrap because the filling is coming out. So to be neat, I'm going to put plastic wrap. Okay, so while we're waiting for this for 30 minutes, we will preheat the oven to 350. Okay, by the time it's raised, and this 350 degree will be okay. 30 minutes now, and also the oven comes to 350 degrees. So I'm going to put this in the oven, and we will bake this for 18 to 20 minutes.